Hello all. I'm sure that you are spending good time with your family and giving good time to your studies as well. So students, this is the second module of the chapter Our Environment. Let me recapitulate the content of the module 1. So far we have discussed what is environment, the components of the environment, the interaction between the kinds of environment. In this module, we are going to talk about the 4 domains of the earth and the detailed study of the 2 spheres. We have 4 domains of the earth, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. They are also called as realms of the earth. Lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth. Hydrosphere, it's a mass of water found on the earth that includes ocean, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Atmosphere is the air or the layer of gases that surround us, and biosphere is a zone where land, water and air come in contact with each other to support life. So let us study in detail about the domain of the earth, that is lithosphere. Lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of the earth consisting of rock material and soil. It is known as the crust of the earth. It includes the continents as well as ocean basins. About 71% of the total area of the earth is covered by water, and the remaining 29% is covered by land. Lithosphere plays an important role in our life. We are all staying together on the lithosphere and involved in day-to-day activities. So, it is imperative for all of us to know how lithosphere is important to us. Lithosphere is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, desert, plains, valleys, which can be put to various uses. Like it provides us with forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture industries, human settlements. So not only this, lithosphere is a reservoir of minerals which supply the basic materials required to make varieties of commodities. It's a major source of various fuels, without which the major human activities would not have been possible. It also provides nutrients to the plants, many more. So, you can just talk about many more of the uses of lithosphere. Just help yourself to find more uses of lithosphere. So we have different uses as we have already discussed: urbanization, agriculture, industries, mining and so on. Let us move on to the hydrosphere, the next major domain of the earth. Hydrosphere is made up of all the water and watery layers of the earth. It consists of oceans, lakes, seas, rivers, and other small and large water bodies. Students, let me tell you, about 97% of the Earth's water is in the ocean and seas. This is saline water and is not suitable for human consumption. The remaining 3% is fresh water, out of which 2% is in the form of ice caps and glaciers. The only 1% of the earth water is easily available and fit for human use. So, we have all understood how important it is for us to save water. As you can see in the picture, water is found as solid ice in glaciers and ice sheets in the polar and higher mountain regions. It is found as liquid water in underground streams, rivers, lakes. The hydrological or water cycle is seen as a process of evaporation, that is water, as water vapor in the air, condensation and precipitation, that is in the form of raindrops or snowfall or hailstones. So water moves continuously from one form to another, and this is called water cycle. So let us see that how hydrosphere is important to us. Apart from the major aspect of survival for all human beings or all living beings, it is also used to generate electricity and also as means of transport. Hydrospheres support marine life, provide us with food and minerals, moderates the climate of the coastal areas, serves as international trade routes, and so many. So we have come to an end of this module. Let us recap what we have done so far. We have studied about the 4 domains of the earth. We have studied in detail about lithosphere and hydrosphere. We have assignment. The first question, use your creativity to make a beautiful diagram showing domains of the earth. Please show your creativity. The second assignment says, let us imagine a hypothetical situation. If there was no hydrosphere, what would be the various scenarios present at that time? We have discussed many uses of lithosphere. You have to think more uses of lithosphere which are not being mentioned in this module. Next is, why is the water cycle called a cycle? And the next question is again to invoke your creativity. That is, write a catchy slogan or create a poster on saving water. Thank you so much. In the next session, we are going to take up the subsequent topics: atmosphere, biosphere, and human environment. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.